My macaroni fell in the sink. I thought all was lost, but this $5 recipe came to the rescue. Watch till the end to see the secret. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something spicy, cheesy, and super delicious. It's none other than spicy garlic macaroni with cheese. Stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss the surprise twist. First thing first, I have taken about 1.5 cups of macaroni. Boiling water is ready. I'm dropping the macaroni in. Don't forget to add some salt to the water, it gives flavor right from the start. Let's cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes until nice and soft. Our macaroni is boiled and perfectly soft now, so I'm draining the water and setting it aside for a bit. Now I'm switching to a fresh pan to begin the actual cooking. Trust me, this is the part where all the magic happens. Time to prep our aromatics. I am chopping up onions and garlic. The more garlic, the better. We want that bold flavor. I have heated some oil in the pan. Make sure it's medium flame. Now tossing in all the chopped onions and garlic to sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. That's when you know it's going right. I am frying the garlic and onions till they are golden and fragrant. Be patient. This step adds ton of flavor to our dish. Once golden, we will move on to our spices. Now I'm adding salt, a pinch of turmeric and chili powder for that kick. Now I am dicing up some chicken pullet. Cut everything into small pieces so it cooks faster. Tossing all of it into the pan and giving it a good mix. Let it cook till the chicken is tender and everything blends together. I am also adding some small tomatoes. They cook fast and melt easily. They'll add a slight tang and some nice texture to the sauce. No need to overcook them, just let them soften up a bit. Everything's coming together so beautifully in this pan. Now I have added some green peas to make it more colorful and healthy. The green really pops against the spices and gives a fresh vibe. I'm mixing everything well and letting it simmer a bit. Keep adding a sprinkle of water whenever it starts drying out. And then disaster struck. As I was draining the water, my hand slipped. The entire ball of macaroni, yes, all of it, fell into the sink. I just stood there in shock, like what just happened. I felt so sad, But hey, I gotta eat, right? Luckily, I had a little macaroni left and added that back in. To fill it up, I dropped in a full packet of ramen noodles. Now it's a hybrid dish, and honestly, it might just be genius. Here comes a twist. I'm using the seasoning from a ramen noodle packet. Don't sleep on this trick, it's cheap and super tasty. I'm mixing it into the pan, and everything smells incredible now. This is the exact spot where it all went wrong. My poor macaroni gone in seconds. I still feel sad just thinking about it. But hey, let's turn this disaster into a delicious recovery. Everything's done, and look at this, spicy and so comforting. It's not what I planned, but it turned out even better. From garlic mac to ramen mac fusion, this is how real cooking goes. I felt so bad, but I wasn't giving up on dinner. I added the little bit of macaroni I had left in the packet. Then I tossed in a full ramen block to balance it all out. Desperate times call for delicious improvisation. Everything's cooked perfectly, and look at this. Just wow. It turned out spicy and totally comforting. I aimed for garlic mac and cheese but ended up with ramen mac fusion. And honestly, I am not even mad about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little kitchen adventure. If you loved it, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun and tasty recipes.